Hi, my name is Joseph DeSangio, CEO of SiteOwl. SiteOwl helps integrators and their customers work better together. I was a 15-year integrator building an integration company in Texas to over 70 employees, and it was incredibly difficult keeping everybody on the same page. From my sales guys, my engineers, my project managers, my techs, my subcontractors, the service coordinators, and even the service techs. It was really hard having everybody see the same picture and deliver the customer an incredible experience. So SiteOwl fixes that. The way SiteOwl fixes that is by digitizing the design to installation flow through the internal team and bringing along the service management team for managing the customer system from then on out. At the same time, SiteOwl enables our integrators to bring on their customers to collaborate and actually be part of the process, so to be engaged with their integrator and becoming even stickier in their relationship together as they work to deploy more and more systems, make changes, and manage the existing security infrastructure. One of the most powerful things SiteOwl does for our integrators and for their end users is make sure that the workflow is actually on digital floor plans. We call our floor plans living floor plans because they tell the entire story from beginning to end and become richer as each of your users, whether it's a sales guy or project manager or a tech, actually interacts with it and does more work along the path. So that means by the time it gets to service, the service team knows exactly what was installed, when it was installed, what are the warranty dates, what are the MAC addresses and the IP addresses, and where is this device actually located on the digital floor plan. That is typically kept within the SiteOwl system and used for support agreements and providing excellent service for that customer going from then on out. Additionally, those digital floor plans are used by integrators to do assessments for their end users. So you can finally give your end user a full picture of all their infrastructure, and you can manage it collaboratively with them, ideally forever. So look us up online at getsiteowl.com. We have tons of information, tons of case studies, information regarding existing customers, and lots of product capabilities that you can look into further.